So normally we pull into a truck stop to get fuel, and but we had already topped off, so we're gonna pull in here to a Love's truck stop, and we have an app called WEIGHMYTRUCK, and it's based with cat scales. So it works with any cat scale across the country. You set up a bank account, and then you just use it. You pull onto the scale and you enter the scale number and just follow the prompts on your phone, and that will be able to tell you what your axles are. So your steer axle, your drive axle, and then your trailer. So that's what we're going to do here. I'll have Beth kind of focus on my phone, and then I will show you it as we get after it's entered in, then we will show it. So there is a number that is up here. I'll have Beth zoom in up top. It's 1635 on the handle there. So then we will enter it here, 1635, and hit accept. And then you can put in whatever you want there. It's going to be $12.50. Hit accept. And then there's your scale. So what I always do is I always take a screenshot of that. That way you have it. It'll email you as well. And then you know what your axles are at. That way you know if you're overweight or not. Alright? So that is WEIGHMYTRUCK app, and that's how you use the cat scales. Simple and it's easy. If you don't have that app, you can go inside, but just like fueling, always pull off the scale and move to a better place, okay? So you're not blocking the scales or the fuel line.